Today is Monday, 26th of August, and we're at East Worthing Beach. Hi guys, back out again. Bank holiday Monday today. Come down East Worthing. Want to try and find a bass. Got my lure rod. I'll just start off with the H2A bait fish again. Hoping there's not too many mackerel about. I don't really want any more mackerel. And the thing is, once you touch them, you can't really chuck them back because they tend to die. So unless I can shake them free, we'll end up having to take them home, but fingers crossed I can find a bass anyway. Got my GoPro, hoping it's working. So yeah, let's try and find a bass. Seems to be more weed in the water today compared to Saturday. A few more people are just heading down that way. I can see another rod in the distance. So I might start walking west towards the pier and just keep casting all the way down that way, I think. Okay, nice little bass there, probably about £2. Just about a keeper size I reckon. Just spat up some spats. Had two in its gob there. Yeah, nice fat thing. I'm not too sure the GoPro caught it. It was beeping at me, making some funny noises, but it did give up a good scrap on the lure rod. That was only about my 10th cast or so. So let's give it a nice release. Come on, fish. Looks like he's gone off well. Result. Well, that was the right pain in the arse. The GoPro didn't pick up a single second of that. It was beeping halfway through and just died on me. Still got battery, just decided to get up chase. But I thought I'd just show you. This is where it's spat up. And that's the bait fish I'm using. Very similar. And that's spat up two of them. But let's see if we can find some more. Just seen a nice bass jump out of the water right in front of me. There's loads of whitebait jump out of water as it went through it. Just trying to find out where it's gone. Try to see the whitebait. Water looks a bit funny here, but literally it's just a big shoal in front of me. See if we can find it. Come on guys. I think it's another bass. Got her on the feed tonight, guys. Another one. Bit smaller this time. Still scrapped up well. I think the GoPro might have picked this one up. But let's get unhooked and get it a release. I'll have to give this one just a little chuck. It's a little bit steeper here to go down. Yeah, off it goes. Fish on, guys. There's like another screw. It's in the waves. That was goody there, getting smaller each time. It's almost half the size of the bass, that one. But you can see where they're taking them. They're so similar to that white bait earlier. Let's get it unhooked. On again, guys. This is crazy, it's a bass of chuck. It's cracking well, this one. Got it right on the surface. It's coming in. Come on. Another cracking bass there, roughly about £2. About the size of the first one. Calm down, mate. See the size of my foot against it. It's almost a whole head longer, so keep a sort of size, not bad. Let's get it released. Unfortunately, this one's bleeding a little bit. If it doesn't make it, I'll take it home for tea, get some legal size. But hopefully it'll be alright. It seems like it's kicking well. Try give it some life. Come on, matey. Good shot, guys. Looks like there's a mackerel just in front of me as well. We're going crazy. Mackerel. Just had a mackerel, guys. Big shell just in front of me there. Just breaking on the water. Go try and unhook this one without touching it and get it back. Look at this, guys. Look at this shell here. Fish on. Look. I'm just going to swap over to this HO glide. As you can see, the gulls are there. The mackerel and bass are still jumping out of water. So let's see if we can get one off the surface. It's starting to get dark now. The sun's gone right down. But I still want to find some more bass. So a good little session here. It'd be nice to find one off the top. And something a bit bigger, sort of 50cm plus would be very nice. Current casting, might swap over back to the bait fish, I can't find anything. But yeah, let's try and find some more bass. Right guys, gone back to the bait fish. It's all gone a bit quiet now, I haven't seen anything breaking the water for a while. But I'm going to head back over to where I first started. Let's see if we can find some more bass. Fish on, guys. I was about to call that my last cast, but then just caught another mackerel. So I think it's time to have a few more. Well, another little bass there, about 30 centimetres or so. I was going to call that my last cast, but that came along. Every time I caught it my last cast, I seem to catch a fish. Got some people over there having a right old bonfire, so rather smoky. It stinks as well, smells like burning plastic. So to give it to smoke, that's why. But I'll get this unhooked and probably have another 3 more casts, and then I will call it a night. Let's give this a little bass release. Gonna give it a little chuck because it's getting a bit of a swell now. And off he goes. Well guys, what a session there. That was probably my best session on the lures. Weed's starting to pick up again now, where the tide's turning, taking all these little bits out down here, back out. Sun's just about gone down. But yeah, like I say, that was probably my best lure session. It's a nice fish there. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe. Give it a thumbs up. Click that bell notifications on as well. Then YouTube gives you a notification every time I upload. And I might be out again tomorrow, family day down the beach. So I might try and get my daughters to catch their first fish. If not, I'm hoping to go out again Wednesday night. So stay tuned and I'll see you soon. Thanks for watching.